Okay, so hey guys, I wanted to do another video. It is one unboxing video. I have a request this on an unboxing video on my school, so I do it now. This is my blue and orange Jonas bag. It is a training bag, and I'm gonna. This is my bag that I'm gonna use everything when I'm playing everything. Okay, so it got like not 100, but it got like 4 rooms. I got one to my shuttlecocks, and this is this. This is my shuttlecock. I only got one, but the coolest thing is that it's like yellow inside or green yellow. Okay, so we put this back, and we're gonna take out my rackets. I got 2 of the same, so I'm only gonna take out one of those. One here, and one that I almost has used everything. So I'm gonna open it. This is the racket that I have 2 of, and I use those a lot of times. And I have another racket that I always use on training. I always used this on training until I got my new rackets. Then it was big, so I got 6. I got space for 6 rackets, and then right here. This is also a room, but it is nothing inside. And then we got my shoes. What's the cool part of this bag? I got an old shoe room. How cool is that? So I'm just gonna open. And this is I have 2 of those, or 1 pair with 2 of that sort. And that was actually everything that was in my bag. If you like it, leave a like or comment below. And if you want another unboxing, you don't have to subscribe, do that. See you next time. Bye.